Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PK Sports. Ikamalambo ngikusi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Danko. In today's video we'll talk about the following players. It's going to be Wandile Duba that if ever given enough game time, he might shock a lot of strikers like Peneturen. Abo Flavio da Silva, abo Ikodara, abo Khanyisa Mayo. He just need enough game time, but I like the competition that Kaizer Chiefs have in that striking department. And then we will talk about Luke Bartman, another player that impressed against the Kruger United. You'd swear that the way he played yesterday, he's used to playing regularly, and he showed maturity in how he plays. I believe that if ever he can get enough game time now, he might be a player that is going to be key for Kaizer Chiefs, especially in that left wing position, also good right wing position, because he can play both flanks, so that's a positive and it's an advantage for Kaizer Chiefs. And then ke bese sikhuluma ngo-Eden Chislet, another player that I believe ukuthi he has found the rhythm of EPSL and he adjusted now. That's why you see him trying by all means to make sure that he is the player that is going to be used more often in that number 10 role. And then bese sikhuluma ngoThapelo Maseko. It was reported by SABC Sports journalist Mazola J. Molefe saying that Mamelodi Sundowns are not interested in selling Thapelo Maseko to any PSL club. So they are weighing their options. Maybe if there's an offer abroad, they will sell him there. Bese sivala ke ngondaba mlonyeni langelihle phili. I saw a video ku Facebook whereby ukuthi is at the airport le Cape Town heading to Johannesburg to finalize everything. I believe ukuthi everything is finalized. It deal say right because uphethe impahla lapha, he's traveling to Johannesburg. Kusho kona ukuthi ayi amakhosi lo announced yesterday live against during that game, during that game versus Kruger United, uye ke wenze ukuthi sale vele yonke into seyibasobala. Kodwa ke nalazo udaba ngaphambi ukuthi siyekude bengicela ningisize ngento yodwa ngokulike to the channel and subscribing if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke maso subscribe danko kaningi. Hayi bafethu ngicela nje nithi ukungibekezelela. I'm still new in this whole setup, but soon enough ngizoba familiar with it and then sengikwazi ke ukujwayela nami ukuyisebenzisa. But ngaphambi kwesikhathi, let's dive into the order of the day. Wandile Duba akekho ngazi ukuthi I rate him highly because of one thing. He's clinical in front of goal. As young as he is, he doesn't need many chances created for him. The ones that you give to him, he will make sure that he converts those chances, of which I believe ukuthi if ever there's a chance for him to convince Fernando da Cruz ukuthi make me the number one striker, he might score a lot of goals. It depends also on Ukochi, not himself, as we have other strikers that have experience far more better than him. But one thing about him is that give him an opportunity, he'll show you. We know his mental toughness, his mental resilience, all of those things. But what's important is what he does on the field of play for Kaizer Chiefs. He can play as a winger, as a striker. That's why sometimes I get confused with which position suits him best, because as a striker he scores, as a winger he scores, he uses his pace at his advantage, so that counts for something. Fernando da Cruz, as it was said, that he's good when it comes to working with youngsters. I foresee youngsters, most of them making a breakthrough, especially if they're gonna play the way they played against the Kruger United. Sikhuluma ngama players afana nabo Luke Bartman. One thing I liked about him is that his work rate. He was a willing runner the entire time that he was on the field for Kaizer Chiefs. Tracking back, helping Frosler defend, going forward, putting on crosses, and sometimes his combination with Eden Chislet that showed a player that has the hunger to deliver. And if you have a player like that, Sometimes quality doesn't matter, but what it is important, it's the impact that player has. Yes, we don't have the best squad, but if Kaizer Chiefs won't sign other players as the coach requested, he has to believe in the ones that are there and give them that responsibility. Kuti, I trust you. Please deliver. I know it's a matter of experience, but if there's no movement made by Kaizer Chiefs to sign players for Uta Cruz, especially in the positions that he said he wants players to be signed, it's going to be difficult. But the good thing is that Upili Vele, Yonkinto, signed, sealed, is confirmed. Whereas, so in that left winger, balance because he can also play as a right winger, Luke Bartman. But ngale, okwamanje, isabanjo umfundo Vilakazi. So it's second game where I saw him play a full 90 minutes. So that shows that Fernando da Cruz is believing in Mfundo Vilakazi. And then we have to talk about Thapelo Maseko. Thapelo Maseko, I was reading my comments, people were saying that Kaizer Chiefs, if they can sign Thapelo Maseko, yeah, they will be sorted because already two wingers that have speed and that are good in 1v1s, Khuluma Ngolangelihle and Thapelo Maseko, but Mamelodi Sundowns are not willing to sell Thapelo Maseko to their competitors la PSL, so they'd rather go for clubs that are abroad. So that simply means one thing, ukuthi Makhosi nixolisa inhliziyo, maybe there's another winger out there that can be signed by Kaizer Chiefs, but okwamanje kusho ukuthi you have to rely on Mfundo Vilakazi, hoping that naye his game will improve. The more he plays, the more he fixes some of the things that he lacks in his game. But I believe Fernando da Cruz will make him the best player. The only thing that he needs to do is to make sure that he does what needs to be done. His head must be in the right space whereby he'll understand when I'm in and around the box, I know it's either I pass or if there's an opportunity to shoot, I have to be decisive in terms of decision making. Sesivala ke ngaye uLangelihle uphili uNdaba Mlonyeni. Now I believe ukuthi since everything is confirmed and the next game is going to be against the Golden Arrows, so he will have enough time to prepare, the whole week actually, to prepare for the game against Golden Arrows uLangelihle Phili. So now it simply means in that left wing position we have Bartman, we have Langelihle Phili, we have Asanele Velepai, we have Upule Mode. So there's experience and also there's young blood. So the competition will be held kulama youngsters. Even though Langelihle Phili already he has pressure to perform because of how the deal went about to happen. So hoping Guti, as a player, he won't feel overwhelmed, but the club must make sure that they integrate him in a way that is going to be good for him. Guti anga feel pressure and suffocate, and then he doesn't live up to expectations. But then we know very well Guti is good on 1v1s. He can score goals, he can assist. One thing I like about his game is that on 1v1s, he's very good. Yabona iplayer eliyiwinga elingayiceli indlela kwi-defender liyasho liyakutshela ukuthi ngiyadlula la. You have a player there. It's just ukuthi nayo uphili unawo wakhe ama-moments whereby ukuthi it becomes selfish, of which it has been a struggle for most of our players with Kaizer Chiefs. I believe it sometimes it's not about players that are not good enough. You need to play and work as a team, nibe a collective. Make sure ukuthi there's synergy and cohesion in the club. But also the teammates that is going to play with nabo they must back him. Asifuna ukubona a situation efana nabo Keegan Dolly, abo Khamabhiliyat whereby ukuthi everything was put on their shoulders ukuthi you have to perform because sithembele kuwe. So with Uphili, as young as he is, I believe ukuthi there's only one thing that needs to be done also by the coach and management. Must make sure ukuthi he doesn't feel the pressure. Even though pressure comes naturally at Chiefs. Kodwa ke nalazi udaba sibonana kwivideo elandelayo. Bengicela lana ukuthi nijoine i-membership. Sekuzoba isikhathi manje ukuthi ngiyenza ama-live streams, so ngizocela nje ukuthi nijoine ama-membership. Ayiduri nje, khona e-15 rand, khona e-30 rand uma uyi-super fan. So into nje ithi ayibe kanjalo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Danko.